Okay, welcome back. Now we get to start styling or making our website responsive. But first, let's check the website out. This is how the website looks like. And you realize this small less than over here. It's a mistake. It's not supposed to be there. Because of this thing, it's highlighted over here. So just clear it up and then save it. Now I like my responsive code to go into a different file, so I'll go ahead and then create a new CSS file or CSS link. Name it design with. Okay, so let me copy the name. Let's make it. So you press Ctrl N, like name, Ctrl N, and then you save it as So responsiveness is basically how your website should look on other non-computer and non-PC like devices, like mobile phones, like iPad, iPhone, like mobile phone, iPhone 6, iPhone 5, name the devices that you prefer. So basically that's what we're going to do. But before we do that, we're going to add this code to our HTML. So type method name is equal to viewport. Viewport as in is referring to the device that you are using. Then content is equal to width is equal to the device width. Width, comma, initial scale. By this, we tell our website to automatically respond to our responsive code. Okay, so now let's get to responsive code. Start styling. So as I said initially, responsiveness is just how your website should look on other non-PC like devices like the phone or your tablet. So we start by typing at media, then media screen, and bracket max width. So what we are going to do is here is if the maximum width of your device is 959 pixels, and by that bigger tablets can fit this size, or tablets range within a certain value of 959 pixels. The reason why we didn't make it 960 pixels is because 960 pixels, it means your device can actually view the full site. Okay. So we start styling the container. Yeah. So at this maximum width, we set the container's width to 100%, meaning to occupy the full width of the container. Okay, so let's check our website out. And then take note, I'm using Firefox for this tutorial. And then to view the responsiveness of the website, you would like to see how it appears on other devices too, in a more conventional way. So you press Ctrl+Shift+M to see your website responsive on other devices, how it will appear Okay, so we have it there. A little bit coming. Welcome back. Okay, problem fixed. Now the problem that we had here was I brought a semicolon here. It shouldn't be there. It should be clear. Okay, so now let's check our website out. How it should look if the width is less than 900, or maybe within the range of 0 to 959 pixels. So we can check from the end. Our current width is 963. So let's see how it will appear when we get lower than that. So you get to realize that as you go lower, the form of the website begins to automatically resize itself. Okay. So let's kind of go. Okay, so let's keep going. So now that we have set it to that, let's go ahead and get other devices to place. And for the first property, this whole bunch of block of code that will work for a bigger tablet. And then with smaller tablet, we start from 640 pixels. So the container is already set to 100%. Anytime it gets less than it gets smaller than the screen gets smaller than 959 or 960 pixels. So here we are going to automatically resize the left container. Left window. Set left window to be 100%. Sorry. So now let's check it out. Just refresh it. So let's keep auto signing. Now keep checking the width. The first three digits. That one. Anything less than 640 pixels. The first container, or the left container, automatically expands itself to fill the width of the container. Then the others will be width. Okay, so we see it. So these are the okay. But what if we go lower and lower and lower and lower to like old screen size? Let's see that. Shouldn't be like that. So I prefer the website to have a default smaller width. So I'll set that to 320 probably. So just copy this down. So 320 at 320. This is the very old iPhone with probably any smartphone with this small width, or anything less than that. You probably have to navigate the site with a little bit of sliding gestures, or probably pinching and other gestures to navigate the site. all responsive to fit your iPhone 5, iPhone 6. Yes. So let's do it. I'll set the container to be containers width to be 320, so I don't get anything lower than that. Okay, it's being refreshed. So immediately we get it to anything less than 320, you realize the site becomes unresponsive anymore. Like it stays with a defined width, which is 320 pixels that are predefined. So that's how to make a website basically responsive. Let's do one more thing. Let's just change the font size. The rest one was 30 pixels. So that one to 25. Just refresh and then see the font size changes. Mainly we fall into anything less than 640 pixels. Realize the font size also changes. Okay, so basically that's it. That's how to make your website or graphics responsive. Thanks for your time. Comment, subscribe, like our video. See you all.